Hello everyone and welcome back. It's Mr. Chang here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Chinese style stew, not on the stove but in a rice cooker. Yes, you heard that right, a rice cooker. It's quick, it's easy, and you can save both time and money. For the first step of this recipe, I actually brown the beef for a minute in a wok. Now you can skip this step entirely, it's not necessarily. I like to do it because it gives that meat a more flavourful taste. Now, here's the best part. You don't need expensive ingredients, just some very cheap cuts of meat, a few vegetables, potatoes, a basic seasoning you probably already have at home because we're slow cooking in the rice cooker. Even the cheaper cuts turn out tender and full of flavour. All I do is chop everything up, throw it in the pot, add water, a stock cube, a splash of soy sauce, garlic, ginger, maybe a pinch of sugar at the end, and that's it. No fancy techniques, no standing over a hot stove. Let the rice cooker do all the work for you. After an hour, you've got a hearty, flavourful Chinese style stew that tastes like it's been cooking all day long, and the cost way cheaper than ordering takeaway or buying ready meals. For just a few pounds, you can feed your whole family easily. So, if you want to save time, save money, and still eat amazing food, give Chinese stew in a rice cooker a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for more budget-friendly Chinese recipes. As this stew cooks, the smell fills your kitchen with rich soy sauce, warm ginger, the sweetness of garlic, and that deep, savoury aroma from the meat slowly breaking down. It honestly smells like a Chinatown. And the taste, it's comforting, hearty, and packed with umami. The meat is melt in your mouth tender, the vegetables soak up all the flavour, and the broth is slightly sweet, slightly salty, warming with every spoonful. It's the kind of dish that makes you want seconds before you've even finished your first bowl. Lovely jobbly. Can I just give a quick shout out to my newest members, Karen Cassidy, Greg McDade, Edith Lee, Kath Ray, Christine Mallet. Thank you very much for giving me the incentive to go on and for the help with the ingredients. I am Mr. Chang. Oh, this is so good. Give it a try. Thank you very much for watching. Good night.